Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's presentation is about the leadership and teamwork. That what we will cover in this presentation today. The components we will cover, the flow of the presentation will be what is an organization. So a team. What is a team? We will discuss this. And teamwork. Quickly go through with this. That what is teamwork? If you talk about team, what is then teamwork? And then Brother Salahuddin, he will cover the project management part of this presentation, and then after that we will discuss about this project management team portal. About an organization. What is an organization? The organization is a group of people working together over a period of time to achieve common goals and objectives. By watching this three-line statement is just nothing, but we have to understand deeply this sentence. So if we go and understand a group of people, as we are the group of people, and if we go along with working together, if we are the group of people and we will work together, then over a period of time, very important factor of this statement. Over a period of time, it's not a matter of 2 days, 3 days, or 4 days, or 5 days. It's a matter of over a period of time. We have to stay with each other to work together over a period of time. Next is to achieve the common goals. We work together, but to achieve a common goal for the organization, to support or to achieve this goals and objectives. A team. So what we say, what is team? A group of people with a full set of complementary skills required to complete a task, a job, or any project. In an organization, we have teams. We have different teams, and these teams are assigned to different tasks, or job, or any project. So the teamwork is all about the combined action of a group of people, cooperative or coordinated efforts together as a team for a common cause. For a common cause, if we work together, this is the element is involved, is an action involved, where we do some actions, combined action, right? Combined efforts or cooperative efforts, what we call, together as a team, but together for the common cause. Now I'll switch over to Salahuddin.
Thank you for that awesome introduction. And we're talking about team management, teamwork, and what a team is essentially. But what I'm going to talk about is project management. We are a bit short on time, so I'll have to reduce the long script that's going to convey to you today. But basically there are 5 essential components of a project. And basically if you want to manage that project well, you have to go through these 5 essential components. Right? So first off is definition. In definition, what you do is this is the stage where a project manager defines what the project is and what the users are going to hope to achieve out of the project, right? And this phase also includes a list of project deliverables, the outcome of the specific undertaking, the project. The project manager works with business sponsors and other people who are investing in that project and then talk to them and they go, okay, well, this is what we're doing, right? This is the project, but this is what we hope to achieve. Then what you do is you move on to the second phase, which is the planning phase. Now this phase is very, very important, and a lot of times, whether it be you doing a project for school or a big company doing some major project, like some, I don't know, like walkathon or something, right? For example, they tend to ignore the planning phase, or they don't put as much time and effort into the planning phase as should be. And what happens is the outcome of not planning properly leads to a really bad outcome. You don't end up getting what you were hoping to get. You don't end up getting you don't manage the budget properly, or you exceed the budget. You don't have proper control of the project, so it leads to many various issues. And obviously, it's a problem for the business owner, the project managers, whether it be you, a wedding planner, ICNA, whether it be anybody, right? So planning the project, you have to be careful. You have to manage out all the things. You're thinking of time, money, the effort, manpower, all that kind of stuff, right? You're working all that out, sorting it out, and spending lots and lots of time in actually planning every single phase of the project out. Then we want to move on to the execution phase, and this is obviously where you actually get into doing the project itself. So this is like, for example, if I'm doing a biology ISU, which is the independent study unit, for those who don't know what ISU is, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to set out, well, what do I want? I need to make a project which has this in it. Then planning, how am I going to go about making that project? Well, I need to get supplies, I need to get colors, I need to get markers, I need to get paper, Bristol board, all this kind of stuff, right? I need to have my textbook to look at resources. Then it comes to the execution phase, where I'm actually gluing this stuff down, making the biological structure. It's the same situation for a corporation launching a new phone. Nokia launching some brand new touchscreen phone. They have to go through all these same steps. You move on to the control project. Controlling the project is basically where you're taking charge and making sure that all the planning that you've done in the past is going through properly, or as planned out. So the budget, you're buying the things that you need, and you're labeling them as according to the budget. So you're not going over budget. You're watching your budget. You're watching how much time you're doing. You're actually keeping track of time, and this is where you're keeping control of the project. If you fail to do these things, you actually tend to get out of budget, get out of time. You don't have enough resources. You don't have enough people, and what happens is the overall project starts to lose the benefits or the key component of its actual initial start. And finally, the closure of the project, where you get back and you've done the project, it was a great success. Now you sit down and you talk with the team and you go, okay, look guys, this was our plan, we followed through, we went a little over budget, but we got that covered because we didn't spend as much time, so we didn't have to work, we worked it all out, and that's when you really revise everything and make sure you use those components and notes for future progress in your project or other projects that you're going to do. So that's it for project management, and I'm going to give it back to someone right here.
Thank you, Swati. Very informative information. So before I go to the portal side, Mr. Muzammil, can you explain what is an organization?
What is an organization?
Yeah.
There's a group that
A group of people, very good, working together.
has a common goal.
Yeah.
Over a period of time.
Over a period of time
to achieve a common goal.
to achieve common goal. Hamza.
That's pretty much it.
And every goal has some objectives. To achieve common goals and objectives. Right? So we have, now we move that what our portal system can give and deliver to us. What are the benefits of this portal system? Number one is the common activity platform. This will be our common activity platform where we do activities. What kind of activities you do? The project management, we can do the project management, the event management we can do through this portal. But you have to familiarize yourself with this portal. So, to-do list, we can maintain, each and every person can maintain their own to-do list. What activities you have to do for certain project, you can manage your own to-do list, even you can organize yourself. So, the group management. This is very important, where we have to focus the group management of this portal. The activity calendar. We have to have activities calendar on this portal, and through this activity calendar we can manage our activities, when some events are there, when the next project is there, when our classes are in Al-Falah. Journal discussion, like we can have the journal groups in which we can coordinate with each other. We can have learning group. We can have the job posting group. Right? Ideas and thoughts sharing. We can share the ideas. And lastly and finally, we can inspire each other. As you may be inspired with this portal, so you can inspire through your work, whatever you do in your daily life. Now, if we move further, this once you log in, then you can see this interface. This is a very interesting interface. That there is a dashboard. Dashboard. What is dashboard basically? The dashboard is like a desk. That dashboard is give you the same dashboard on this portal. That what are the current activities? Whoever update anything, it will come to the dashboard. It will come to your table. That okay, what's going on and what we have to do. And this is very important. That once you go into the group, there are certain tabs where you can do activities in behalf of this specific group. Each group can have number of members, and we can assign number of members to certain groups. That okay, these are the members of that group. Nobody else can share any information except those who are not the member of it. If you come to the main desk and then you go to the work desk, your actual work desk, where work desk is, means your group, Al-Falah group. You are into the Al-Falah group, and this dashboard is presenting the dashboard for that specific group. And what this contains? Current events. What current events are in the future we have and we arrange as a group. And then recent activities. What recent activities is going on within a group? All automatically updated at the front desktop page. And who is online? Even you can see who is online. Projects. And this is the main focus area where we discuss about the project in next presentation. Not now because we don't have time. Is case tracker. What is case tracker? If you can see down below this, that we have my case. My case. What is my case? I'll explain you. But first you understand what is project. So you have to create the project, and project have cases. What are the cases? Cases are to-do list. To-do list for what to do. And this cases is assigned to anybody. Is any person, a specific person. So he have tasks to do within a week, within a month. Everybody have to accomplish certain tasks. So these are their plates. What is in their plates? They have to finish that. If you see the small blue bird, this blue bird, if you click on this, it is the shout box. Because this portal is designed for those people, as we are working in a group. If somebody has some ideas, some thoughts, he wants to shout something, or just like anybody who shouts in the class, so he can shout right there. And calendar contain, if you click on the calendar, you can know what are the current events, when they are. It's just simply like a calendar if you have used. Thank you, and Jazakallah for listening, for hearing. Any question? Any question? Yeah,
Is the website up?
Yeah, website is up, and we will share you the link. It is currently on the test. But it will be live on the canadianworld.ca domain/teamwork. Thank you very much. May Allah bless you with the knowledge and increase your iman.